Here you can see a part which contains a more or less complex profile. So sometimes when you program this part, you might run into an error on your controller when using G41 and G42. So this would mean if you would generate a toolpath for of your tooltip of the tool, you might avoid using G41, G42, and you could still very easily program your part. So Tensor has this built-in function which is automatically being used when programming, for example, with an actual roughing cycle of Fanuc or an actual roughing cycle within Tensor. But just to show you how it works, we can select this profile, and as our radius of our tool is 0.5 mil, we can move on to Lathe menu and move to conversion profile without tool compensation, and we will have two questions. This is an outer profile, and my reference point or my tooltip point is placed on, in this case, number 3. So we can enter the position of my tooltip reference point, and the radius is 0.5, and then we click on OK. The toolpath will have a name which is called, in this case, no compensation, and you can see Tensor generating a new toolpath. And by just moving my tool over the blue line, you can see that this is the exact toolpath of my tooltip to machine my part. So this is very helpful when programming your part. So this function is being used in all options within the tool, within the lathe menu, and even within the Fanuc cycles. So you could always program without tool compensation. So you can try this out in the demo software.